Good morning, students. Today we will start solving exercise 1.3. So the very first question is fill in the blanks using symbol subset or not a subset. Means you have to tell left hand side is a subset of right hand side or not. So the first part is 2, 3, 4 is a subset or not of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left side is 2, 3, 4. Right side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So clearly 2, 3, 4 is a subset of this because all elements are the elements of the set which is written on right hand side. So this is a subset. Second is x such that x is a circle in the plane. On left hand side it is written that it is the set of all those points such that x is a circle in the plane, and here x such that x is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit. See student, it may be a circle of any radius. Now suppose it is a circle of radius 1 unit, then it can be a circle of radius 4 unit. So this cannot, left hand side cannot be a subset of right hand side. So you will insert symbol does not a, it is not a subset. Next is x is a triangle in a plane, and here x is a rectangle in a plane. So you cannot compare triangle with rectangle. So again it is not a subset of right hand side. Next is check whether following statements are true or false. See, on right hand side it is x such that x is a vowel in English alphabet, and you know that the set of vowels is A, E, I, O, U. Now is A, E a subset of A, E, I, O, U? Yes. So this is what? This is true. Clear? Now next is on right hand side it is A, B, C. On left hand side it is A. Clearly A is a subset of A, B, C. But here it is not written subset. It is written belonging to. So there should be a symbol of subset. So this is what? This is false. Clear? If it is written that A, if it is written that A belongs to A, B, C, then it is true, right? For this it should be a subset. Now next is third question. Again, a set is given to you A whose elements are given by first element 1, 2, then this set 3, 4 is an element of A, and this 5 is an element of A. So this set contains 4 elements, this, and this, right? Now you have to tell which are correct. So this is what subset 3, this set 3, 4 is a subset of A. This set, this, is it a subset of A? No, because this time this set is acting as element of A. So this thing belongs to A. So this is false. This is not correct. Now next is 3, 4 belongs to A. Now this is an element, so it will definitely belong to A. This is correct. But if I make the set of this element, it will be a subset of A. This is correct. Next is 1, 2, 5. The set of these elements 1, 2, 5, this belongs to A. No, because these elements belong to A, and when I make a set of these elements, it will be a subset of A. So this is not correct. Next is 5 belongs to A. 5 belongs to A. 5 belongs to A. No, there are only 4 elements. So how can 5 belongs to A? So this is again incorrect. Next is 5 is a subset of A. Yes, 5 is the subset of every set. So this is correct. Next is write subsets. Fourth part I have taken. It is written that write the subsets of 5. 5 के subsets लिखने आपने, right? So you have to write the subsets of 5. How will you write? See, 5 is the subset of every set. Clear? So its first set will be phi, right? And next will be itself is again phi, so there will be only one subset, that is phi, or you may write it phi. Next is, so you have to remember that phi has only one subset, that is phi itself. This is very important. Next is write in interval form. It is written in set builder form, x such that x belongs to R minus 4 is less than x is less than equal to 6. It is equal to symbol here. This is equal to, less than, equal to. Then you have to write it in interval form. So from left side it is less than, there is no equal symbol. So from left side there will be open bracket. And from right side here is an equal symbol. It means you will include 6 also. So there will be closed bracket. Next is x belongs to real number such that 3 is less than equal to x less than equal to 4. Now 3 and 4 both are included because x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 4. So you will put closed bracket on both sides. 3, 4. Right? So this is the interval form of this. Now next is write it in set builder form. There is reverse. This is what interval form, you have to write it in set builder form. So what will be set builder form? X belongs to R and it is open from both sides. So you will write minus 3 less than x less than 0. You will not put equal symbol. Right? Next is 6, 12. What is its set builder form? X such that x belongs to R. From 6 it is open, from 6 side it is open. So 6 is less than x is less than, from it is closed, so right side it is closed, less than equal to 12. So this is the set builder form of these two. Right? So now complete exercise 1.3. And tomorrow we will start with the concepts of 1.4. Thank you.